I love to make my own spice blends mainly because I can control what's in it. I know what I'm putting in there and it doesn't have salt as a filler. So I make my own seasonings all of the time, and if you've joined us for our Thrive Market unboxing, you'll know a little bit more about the spices that I got from them recently. I will link to that video in the description below. If you're new here, welcome to the Culinary Cam YouTube channel. My name is Kamala, and I'm really excited to share some of my homemade spice blends with you today. And I'm starting with taco seasonings. So these were some of the spices that I recently received from Thrive Market. Again, I'll link to that video so you don't miss out on that. But I am going to make my taco seasoning, and what I love about it is that it's super easy, and I just need a mason jar and some measuring spoons and cups, and we're good to go. My taco seasoning includes paprika, ground cumin, dried oregano, garlic powder, ground coriander, and chili powder that I had from a previous shipment, so it's not in the package anymore, so that's this. Okay, so the first ingredient is paprika, and you're gonna need a 1/4 cup of that. Just measure that paprika, and it doesn't have to be completely exact. Good approximation is fine. 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of oregano, 1 tablespoon of ground cumin, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of ground coriander. And then some freshly ground black pepper. You can do as many grinds as you like. I usually do 10 to 15 or so. Give it a little shake, mix it all up. And you have your own homemade taco seasoning. Now I use this one as a blending jar because it's a little big. So you put it in any clean, airtight jar. And again, I like to use mine within 3 months. So I'll just spoon that into this jar. And then I just use painter's masking tape because it comes off whatever lid I use, and I just put taco, so the label of whatever seasoning I make, and the month and the date. So January 2021, I'll know I want to use this before April. I try and use my spices within 3 months of blending them, but usually it doesn't even last that long because I blend and use and cook and then blend again. And there you go, homemade taco seasonings made with spices that I got from Thrive Market. Again, I am an affiliate for Thrive, so I'll drop a link to that if you care to check out any of the spices and buy from them. We do get a small commission. It doesn't cost you anything more, but it does help us, and we can help. It helps us bring you more content in the coming weeks. If you like this video, please click like, and definitely ring that notification bell and click subscribe if you don't want to miss any of our videos.